Well, the old gutter is gone. And especially that spot where there was a seam that was a real problem. And a new gutter is coming with downspouts, a downspout, and a downspout. So hopefully there won't be any leaks and any more plants growing in the gutter, because we're going to get mesh, taking out the old fiber and putting in a mesh. That stuff is going. So we'll see what happens. Oh, that's how it's done. It just grows and grows and grows. Yeah. He's growing a gutter. Got to make sure it's measured properly, though. Ah, very neat. Well, more of it's growing. There it is, the growing gutter. Amazing.